Greetings to all tech visionaries. Join us on Mega Technology as we journey through heavy machinery, modern inventions, and the exciting frontiers of modern technologies. The Lagoon Crawler features a brand new remote control system with an integrated screen. The new controls allow users to maintain optimal functionality of the crawler as well as control the new improved GPS mode. Proportional control with the new belly pack crawler robot provides detailed control through feedback mechanisms. The ability to efficiently and accurately control the crawler makes the mixing process safer and more reliable. With 4,000 psi pressure, this system delivers insane torque to the wheel drives. An upgraded intelligent traction control system prevents wheel lockup by directing more oil to the right wheel. This allows the crawler to get out of steeper potholes than previous models. You see the PT300 D-Mine tracked demining vehicle. It is equipped with a rotor with fixed tines or whips and can effectively clear anti-personnel and anti-tank mines at speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. It uses a rocker undercarriage, which provides excellent cushioning on the terrain. The machine is equipped with a powerful Caterpillar diesel engine for 302 horsepower and is able to work on climbs up to 45 degrees and slopes steeper than 35 degrees. The remote-controlled PT300 D-Mine can also be equipped with other hydraulic attachments, such as a milling machine, stump grinders, and others. The 1990s Agrifac has been given a new lease on life with upgraded features. A second tank and an elevator have boosted its capacity to 25 tons. Its innovative crab steering system reduces soil compaction, while large 1050 tires distribute weight evenly. Post-harvest, 2 John Deere 7530s with Beko trailers transform the yield to the farm, while a third tractor equipped with a Lemken Joule 8 plow prepares the soil for the next planting season. You see the high-performance Hudig cable plow, which was created by the two companies, Lyra and Graf Kebelflug, and it really is a cost-effective alternative to laying fiber optic cables. With their own fields of construction, electrical engineering, and communications, the companies can offer complete solutions for broadband expansion in projects of any size. That's why they created their ideal tracked plow for overland installation in different agricultural areas. It is designed just right for laying along transportation routes. After winter, any meadows need some establishment and extra care. Now is the time to make it easier on yourself and use the new AgBot from the popular company AgSeed. With their new Guttler Greenmaster 300, you are completely unleashing your hands. The fact that the technique is equipped with intelligent digital planning, which helps you create the most efficient route to save energy in seed. Plus lightweight, wide tires, and low pressure. Everything your soil deserves. The Lightwolf AgriPower Prinoth model is designed for work on steep slopes. Thanks to their climbing ability and large track contact area, they can perform heavy lifting work on difficult terrain, and thanks to their optimal weight distribution, they can climb even high and steep slopes much more easily and with greater stability than wheeled machines. In this video, the machine is shown in close contact with the M450 mulcher, and you can see the result of their fruitful cooperation. The tremendous traction and the ability to steeply turn vehicles on trails make spreading large volumes effortless. After long preparation and transportation, the new PlantMax X2 planting unit is finally operational. In cooperation with partners from Timber, Plantma Forestry has successfully tested and demonstrated on pine and eucalyptus plantations, showing its best qualities. The specifications and capabilities of this machine are quite different from anything Plantma Forestry has done before, but the trials have shown their technique has the potential to be a game changer in mechanized planting. And you can see for yourself how it works by watching the video. The new E7000 SP self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system, to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. There is definitely more chain cleaning space than any other harvester. There is a variable speed cleaning fan, and settings are controlled with a joystick. The independent floating pickup head follows the ground contour. And what's more, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. Just look at this Metalcraft land transport scraper, which is designed for layer-by-layer digging of soil. Its transportation and backfilling in layers of the desired thickness on the site. Such a machine, in combination with a tractor, perfectly develops soil of 1 to 2 categories, from black soil to heavy clay. If the soil is of a denser category, you should first develop the soil with a special ripper. Friends, just look at this technological monster! You see a highly efficient machine with a power of 75 horses and an empty weight of 3.2 tons. This progressive machine is rolling on wheels with a diameter of 710 millimeters and is about to pour corn seeds into the ground. AgSeed AgBot has really taken care to achieve low soil pressure, precise application of nutrients and seeds. In addition, the AgSeed AgBot has achieved perfect straight lines, which, by the way, are the basis for uniform corn sprouting and easy crop maintenance. The self-propelled symbol of the Technoma range, trust us, the laser opens up a new style in equipment. Depending on the surface, crop, and terrain, it comes with 4 tanks ranging from 2,500 to 5,200 liters and can be equipped with a boom from 24 to 44 meters. It has a wide range of tracks and clearance and can be equipped with optimal hydraulic adjustable track and/or hydraulic variable clearance (HVC). Every field is unique, which is why Geringoff has paid special attention to high flexibility in the design and manufacture of their harvesting equipment. Their maize cob picker has been refined to the limit, all for maximum efficiency in maize fields. The MaizeStar technology used in the production is where 2 oppositely rotating harvesting rollers with 4 cutting blades gently pull the corn plants downwards. The cob itself is separated by the harvesting knives, while the stalk remains untouched in the field and serves as erosion protection. Noon Industries decided to enter the market a winner, so they set out to build their most advanced manure spreaders, which can carry 71,000 to 80,000 pounds of manure at a time. Their new Electra-Steer tank is designed to meet the high demands of professional manure spreaders and leading livestock producers. It is a cross-flow system that features a built-in vacuum pump for loading and efficient discharge of manure with a high-volume pump. The machine can handle heavy loads at speeds up to 40 miles per hour, as well as the need to work on muddy fields, stubble, pastures, gravel, and sidewalks, all of which require a rugged machine with versatile capabilities. The 1233 is the most popular model in the K-Tech scraper lineup. This versatile machine handles all soil conditions with unrivaled fuel efficiency and amazing loading speeds. By mounting 2 K-Tech 1233 scrapers in tandem behind a single tractor, or ATV, this unit can move a whopping 50 meters cubed in a single cycle with just 1 operator. This fully integrated tandem scraper system moves twice as much material with just 1 450 horsepower power unit. The Prinoth Raptor 100 self-propelled mulcher with remote control is a very highly efficient machine. Together with the hydraulic mulcher cutter, M450H, it is suitable for various applications. It can effectively crush small thickets and branches in hard-to-reach areas or difficult terrain. The mulcher does an impressive job in forestry, clearing parks and public gardens, cleaning on roadsides and steep slopes at an angle of up to 45 degrees. If cars had an Olympics, the Converse C10s would definitely take gold in the 3-wheeled race. This 3-wheeled self-propelled machine is a true athlete among landscape maintenance devices. It goes through narrow passageways and climbs steep slopes like a parkourist. No wonder it can do aerobatics where others only dream of a chance to pass. Ideal for working in hard-to-reach places, whether it's maintaining parks or cleaning water bodies. The RanchWorks Tandem Drum Aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using Ranch Tech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil breaking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the Tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. A mobile brick-making machine that produces building materials directly on site. Raw materials are loaded into a drum where they are mixed and compressed. The blocks are then neatly arranged on the surface. All that's needed to operate it is a power source. IC is the new autonomous tractor from AutoAgra. The autonomous tractor, or agricultural robot, can operate day and night, saving fuel and reducing operating expenses. Agreed, this is cool news. It also seems that the company's goal was to maximize efficiency to reduce the use of seed, fertilizer, and pesticides when operations are performed with precision in the best weather conditions. In this video, a Coweco slurry tanker semi-trailer with a capacity of 30,000 liters is operated. That's an impressive figure, isn't it? This powerful tanker is equipped with a 36-meter Vogelsang boom, which is also a special feature. As for the tank itself, it is filled by refueling tanks on the technological tracks, everything to achieve maximum spreading performance. The Universal Pickup is a compact machine with a large steering angle for maximum maneuverability. The machine can move at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, and its powerful 4-stroke engine with 18 horsepower allows you to pick at half speed. The machine has excellent performance regardless of the number of fruit collected, without damaging them. By the way, the picker can be used in both high and low stem orchards. The Ventrac RV602 has a waste bin that hydraulically lifts to 150 centimeters, making it easy to place collected materials in a dump trailer, pickup truck, or on top of a compost pile. The quick-release vacuum hose makes it easy to clean flower beds, hedges, steps, and other hard-to-reach areas. What do we know about the P200 machine model from Technoma? Actually, not much, but I can say exactly that it is the most powerful model in the STP range, with a Tier 4 engine that can develop up to 204 horsepower. The performance is impressive. Apparently, this is why the P200 is considered a highly efficient and productive machine in its class. The Helioder Compact Disc Harrow from Lemken is ideal for cultivating bare stubble or incorporation of surface residues from previous crops on light to medium soil types. When preparing the seedbed after plowing or in mulch sowing, the technique ensures an evenly loosened and level seedbed. In combination with the Solitaire pneumatic seeder from Lemken, you can get a fast and efficient combination for soil tillage. These features make the Helioder a true all-rounder, saving users valuable time and money. It is in the public interest to have a safe network of roads and paths. Nowadays, however, the environment and unspoiled nature are increasingly coming to the fore. Only the right machines, the optimum method, and a measured use of resources can ensure safety here. The best machine for such specific purposes is the LKW Bagger. It is suitable for all types of work, such as ditching and roadside control, highway and median strip clearing, working in narrow areas. From now on, shoulders up to 2 meters wide and up to 10 centimeters below the edge of the road can be milled in one operation. Fences, super rails, and other vehicle restraint systems are no longer an obstacle. Overall, this provides an even more efficient and faster way of working. The RTX 750 SOC trencher can cut a trench 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep. The sliding trencher moves 16 inches to the left from the center. It makes it easy to dig clean, straight ditch walls for efficient utility installation. The height can also be adjusted for easy transportation. The attachable conveyor unloader is capable of handling dump trucks weighing up to 10 tons. This allows operators to work in tight urban areas by feeding soil directly into the dump truck. Workstation all-attachment controls are manually rotated 90 degrees. The swivel workstation is designed to optimize the view of the rear attachment and maximize operator comfort. Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a trackpad base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. You can see now how new peatland is cleared in Finland. The ripping is done 11.8 to 15.7 inches below ground level because this is the layer where all vegetation and stumps are crushed. The mulcher comes with a 250 horsepower farm tractor. This wetland clearing equipment, designed and manufactured by Suukoni, is well suited for clearing new wetlands as well as maintaining old ones. The machine can also be used to cultivate agricultural fields and wetlands. Different preparatory cutters are used to cut down bog brush, stumps, and snags. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Avatech, founded in 2003, has announced the new Trex Remote Control Lawnmower, RCLM, with collision avoidance technology. Featuring a new 20 horsepower Kawasaki remote start engine and dual cutting blades, the Trex 44 can cut tall wet grass on slopes up to 50 degrees. The dual hybrid electric drive system provides a zero turning radius when traveling forward or backward. Hybrid drive eliminates the need for hydraulic oil systems and reduces weight and cost. Track to ground pressure is 1.16 pounds per square inch. The Classic V Amphibious Dredger offers an unprecedented combination of mobility and powerful dredging capability. Aquamex's innovation takes WaterMaster to a new level of performance in soft and hard substrates, as well as in urban dredging. The size of the machine is virtually unchanged from the first-generation Classic 1, but dredging performance has almost tripled. The difference compared to the Classic 4 is 50%, so the new model completes projects many times faster. Here comes a revolution in the agricultural business. The liquid manure spreader Schlefix from Brunner Special Werkstatt. This device, like a Swiss knife among agricultural machinery, turns a routine task into true engineering art. Designed in the cozy workshops of Schwarzenbach, the Schlefix not only handles the distribution of liquid manure, but does it with such finesse that even the laws of nature seem like mere recommendations. Forget the old ways. With the Schlefix, your field to be treated efficiently, neatly, and most importantly, in accordance with the strictest environmental standards. Conver's specialized canal and pond cleaning boat is designed to effectively tackle the issues of overgrowth and vegetation obstructing waterways. With its adaptable cutting system, it carefully trims grass along the water's edge and on slopes where traditional machinery struggles to reach. The robust hydraulic drive ensures a smooth and highly efficient cut. Do you want to effectively control the loss of thousands of tons of topsoil on your plot of land? No problem, with the Farmer's Zerat laser machine. Of course, leveling the fields offers great advantages for areas with such a useful topsoil. And you want to ensure at least 50 to 60% more efficient use of irrigation water. So it is thanks to laser leveling. The technique in front of you allows you to supply irrigation water to each plant equally, which significantly increases the overall productivity of work. The VDM is a high-performance CIED route clearance vehicle that combines maximum survivability with excellent off-road performance and a tremendous level of flexibility. The VDM is versatile and can be customized to defend against a wide range of threats and operating environments. The vehicle has a false target package on a push-pull boom trap to activate IEDs in front of the vehicle on 12.8-foot wide tracks. There is also an underbody metal detector to detect buried EIDs on 10-foot wide tracks. The VDM also offers high growth potential to combat rapidly evolving threats in theater. The self-propelled three-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The three-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. The machine presented by Fasterholt is a self-propelled irrigator with a turbine engine. It is built on a new undercarriage with reinforced rear axle and a Nortoft electronic control. This technique is already known for its reliability, and all thanks to the use of advanced technology. The main advantage of the model is that it is equipped with very long hoses and a new turbine with high efficiency, which provides energy and low pressure drop. The MG1S combines many of DJI's advanced technologies, including the new A3 flight controller and a system of innovative sensors to ensure reliable and safe flight. The new liquid atomization system is designed to distribute the mixture as accurately as possible. The drone is equipped with 4 nozzles in the front and rear, and it also has 3 spray modes: front, rear, and full. 2 pressure modes are available: intensive and productive. And if you need to monitor how much fluid is left in the tank, you can do so thanks to the new flow and pressure sensors. The all-weather and all-season Eco Ag Harvester produces cleaner produce with less waste and faster delivery. Cleaner and healthier celery is guaranteed by food-grade stainless steel contact surfaces and an improved loading system. You'll agree this is an important factor. Plus, the boxes and pallets never touch the ground. Hydraulics and conveyor belts eliminate most of the lifting, which reduces worker injuries and allows more women to join the crew. The 2022 Malone Farm Machinery Show was held, and the winner was the legendary Malone Express. Have you heard about it yet? If not, I'll tell you. It's a specialized machine with a tractor that can accommodate about 16 round bales. And that's more than other machines of this type can afford. The Malone Express also has a slightly shorter chassis than the others. You see an all-electric remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide-track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. Meet the Ortomec self-propelled tracked harvester for harvesting corn salad. This machine has a tracked carriage on fixed rollers, or movable if desired. The steel tracks 270 centimeters long can vary in width and be 20, 25, or 30 centimeters. The engine of the harvester is diesel, with a power of 74 horsepower. Steering and forward movements are controlled by a multi-function joystick. Now you can see for yourself that the ideal tool for trenchless drainage, a method in which work is carried out without the need to dig a trench, is the Van Dam Drainage Chain Excavator. The manufacturer of this equipment has specialized in the installation of drainage pipes since 1972 and is definitely the best in the field. The drainage is applied with a V-shaped plow that does little or no damage and does not mix the soil. The maximum depth that can be achieved with this method is 70 inches. The Skier Pro Plus Skid Steer Grader is an innovative new attachment that will take your leveling and leveling operations to the next level. See how the Pro Plus performs in various ways in this product demonstration. The company tested the attachment on a gravel road, an off-road riding trail, and an equestrian area. Just look at how cleanly and efficiently the Skier system performs in such a wide range of applications. From heavy leveling to precision layout, this attachment can be relied upon. How can you clean large tunnels? Very simply with the TWG Model 600K flexible cleaning system. The long boom reach and attachments equipped with modern sensor technology, such as the high-pressure washing boom and tunnel cleaning brush, ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Assembly and disassembly is quick and easy thanks to the container-type twist locks. No additional equipment is required, as the unit has its own support legs. The processes are monitored from the integrated operator's cabin, who is permanently connected to the driver via voice radio. With the SEPI Universal Stone Crusher and the MIDI Soil DT Tillage Cultivator, the little brother of Star Soil, you can do many things. Crush stone, stabilize soil, chop stumps, mulch wood, and recycle material for any road surface. The MIDI Soil DT is a new multifunctional crusher mulcher for tractors with medium PTO, 100 to 170 horses. This machine is equipped with a new innovative dual variant linkage with a more robust transmission and additional crushing bars. On the Styrian Erzberg in Austria, where old concrete, asphalt, and hard rock surfaces meet their epic end, the PTH Ripper demonstrated its incredible capabilities. This mighty ripper, with its unique kinematics, not only protects the vehicle, but also effectively wrenches large chunks of rock out of the ground. What's it all for, you may ask? It is how quality preparation is carried out to further create the perfect surface, which is where the grader and compactor comes in. The Manitou Model MLTX 961 forklift has a lift height of 29.5 feet and a maximum lift capacity of 6 tons. With a 141 horsepower engine, an M-Vario Plus transmission, the machine offers even more comfort, productivity, and cost efficiency. For your comfort, the machine comes standard with an ultra-quiet new AG XL cab, easy access, automatic parking brake, cup holder, full storage compartments, and optional adaptive air suspension. This forklift is equipped with an air pre-filter and an auto-reserve fan. These features are perfectly adapted to dusty environments. The 200-liter per minute pump and optional intelligent hydraulics package meet customer needs in terms of performance in agriculture and agro-industry. The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. It's worth remembering the 1980s when the Difco turf cutter first burst onto the scene, revolutionizing the world of peat extraction and changing the landscape of manual labor forever. This ingenious attachable turf cutter ushered in a new era, delivering high efficiency with a 9 to 11 tons per hour output. Imagine the leap forward from debilitating manual labor. With a choice of cutting blades adapted to different peatland depths, from shallow to premium black peat, the Diffco Turf Cutter provides the perfect fit for any customer's needs. Not to mention the hydraulic pressure relief valve and chain protection, which ensures that even unexpected obstacles won't be a problem. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in peat production. This powerhouse for wood processing converts logs and branches into consistent chips. A large rotating tub directs materials into heavy-duty hammers that break the wood down to the desired size. Its automatic feed system and built-in magnetic separator for removing metal makes it ideal for recycling construction debris. The Yanmar multi-purpose seedling planter for cabbage, spinach, and many leafy vegetables is designed with control levers around the handle for efficient operation. The PH1 is also equipped with a distance sensor for planting vegetables, which greatly increases its productivity. What do we got here? Of course, it's a cool and powerful rice planter from Yanmar. This basic model is perfect. It has a 3-cylinder diesel engine with 20.9 horsepower, a transmission, and a 37-liter fuel tank. The profiling rotary planting mechanism mimics the manual process to ensure straight and quality rice sowing. With this model, you can safely count on the greatest operations efficiency. The Stout Smart Cultivator is a software-controlled tractor implement that uses machine vision and artificial intelligence to cultivate and weed fields with mechanical knives. The AI model recognizes each weed and each plant individually. The 2-meter-wide version has an output of 0.4 to 0.81 hectares per hour at 2.5 kilometers per hour. And those are cool numbers. With its 12-meter working width, it currently is the largest model in the world among rotary cultivators. In addition to the usual characteristics of top quality and durability that distinguish Valentini products, the Imperium, thanks to its size, offers undeniable advantages in terms of cultivation time, while maintaining great ease of use and maneuverability. If you grow grapes on a large scale, or are just about to do so, you should know that it will be very difficult to do without a machine such as the T150 VV modification from Engine Bore. This machine has a hydraulically adjustable track from 2 to 2.9 meters, which allows it to be adapted to all vineyards and any work in the fields. Now you can watch on your screens how the DZR Wide from the Japanese company Niplo works. In fact, in front of you is a unique agricultural machine that is being used to create a dam on a hilly rice field. Everything to further build an embankment in Japan. This TMR Jailer mixed truck is the largest TMR mixer offered by the manufacturer. In this configuration, it has a capacity of 1,190 feet, 33.7 meters cubed, which is quite impressive. The ration includes conditioned barley, dried distillate grain, additives, Fry's byproduct from a local processing plant, and corn silage. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feedlots. Versatile in its capabilities, the M30H trackway panel is the ideal solution for access roads, crossings, temporary roads, beach areas, and flooring. The medium ground mobility system enhances the mobility of vehicles and other large equipment with pneumatic tires by creating an access route that stabilizes the ground when ground pressure is very low. This equipment is compatible with front-end loaders and telehandlers and is well suited for multi-purpose operations to create a long access road. The PRF 240 Profiler from Meripede is designed for shaping peat strips during production. It can be used to level the raised edges of the ditch and distribute the excess peat evenly across the entire width of the strip. The excess peat can then be collected in a peat stack during normal milling peat production. Using the profiler 2 to 3 times per season helps to keep the production strips in optimal condition without any additional action. An exciting new video, the Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle can traverse any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion BJ Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, easily tackling the most impassable of obstacles. The car was built on the platform of the British reconnaissance armored car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The auto has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on original design wheels. 2 of them are driven by internally controlled hydraulic motors. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and obstacles with ease. It also features a powerful Chevrolet LS engine in the rear of the vehicle.
If you're fascinated by the sheer power of heavy equipment and the marvels of modern engineering, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's explore the frontiers of technology together and discover the awe-inspiring innovations that shape our world.